Welcome back everyone. Today I have a simple project, but this requires a little bit of filament to be printed, and it's something that I had in my mind for a little bit of time. I know you have seen in the older times and in some of the older movies that sometimes then when you go and buy a hamburger and then I don't know how you call it, I don't know, it was a drive-thru, I don't know what exactly was in that movie, but I seen that sometimes you have they will bring you the hamburger on the side of the car, and sometimes they will give you something that you can just slide over your window and you can have like an extension that you can use. You can put your drinks, and basically that was the thing that inspired me to do this idea, just because I wanted something that I can hang on my desk and I can have a lot of different attachment. And this is only the first attachment we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna eventually, as it will progress, I'm gonna make probably more attachments. I even gonna make an attachment that will fit your energy drinks, your cups, so you don't have to. You can play, let's say, Call of Duty Modern Warfare or something, or Warzone. You can play it and you can just have, your desk free for your keyboard and your mouse, and you're gonna use this mounting thing, so you can use for your phone, for your drinks, or for your snacks, or even for your food. This one to work, I recommend, if you don't want to spend much filament, as what I did, that instead of using a 100% infill, I just increased the thickness of the wall, and I recommend like maybe 2mm wall thickness, just so to have, and maybe even top and bottom layers to increase them a little bit, maybe to 2 or 3 millimeters, just to have the stiffness and the hardness, that it will not disform under pressure. When it comes to PLA, I did notice that over time it likes to disform and it likes to change its shape, lean backwards or something, especially if it has a weight on one side. So I'm gonna see how this will work, and I'm gonna give you an update when we're gonna do the second attachment. In this files, this project, you're gonna get the base, and the base I did it into a way that I wanted to minimize the material that you're gonna use. So of course I did like cutouts or something. So let me explain a little bit what exactly all those pockets are for. When I design my project, sometimes I like to write numbers or to write dimension or something, and of course I always need a pen, and I don't want to have it around. I want to have it all in one place, so I made it that it will fit a pen, a marker. If you have a marker, you need something to write on. So I got like this notebook, whatever. So this notebook will go on the side. So you have everything in one place. This hole I don't know what you're gonna put here. Maybe like this is still a little bit too much, but you can put whatever you want here, like that. I'm gonna have the most important, because first idea that I had is that I need a phone holder that will get out of my way, sometimes when I'm playing, I want to watch YouTube or something, and I wanted to have it out of the way. Okay, it's not totally out of the way, because you still have this part hanging from the desk, but I came with this phone holder. I messed it up a little bit just because I use zero infill and it burned me. I did not use I should have used more top or bottom layers just to fix this one, but I did not. Of course it will have my logo, and it has like a different design. It looks like two E and E. So that's only to reduce the filament that you're gonna use. And of course it fits here. It's supposed to fit snug. It fits to here and to here, and it spins. So basically when you put your phone, you can spin it, or you can do whatever you want with the tablet. So you can see that you can spin it freely, whatever you want. I made it in a way that if you will put it in a different area of the desk, you can still use it. And of course this one will hold the tablet like that too. You can see, you can move it without a problem, you can spin it, you can have it on the side and just work or do whatever you want. I just wanted to have something to get rid of the phone if I'm watching and playing at the same time. And I really like how this came. Like I said, you can work on your tablet here and play at the same time, or work on your computer, or whatever you want. Thing that will require a lot of material will be the base, but the base I made it a little bit heavier, a little bit more complex, let's say, like that, a little bit more sturdier, just so it will not break, instead of making like triangle shapes or whatever.